Is your Windows Calendar app acting up, refusing to sync or crashing unexpectedly? Let's get it fixed. First, we'll ensure your app is up to date. Click the Start button, then type Store, and open the Microsoft Store in the store. Click on the library icon in the bottom left then. Click Get Updates to see if there's a new version available for your calendar app. Install any updates found. If updating didn't solve it, let's reset the app, which often fixes corruption. Click Start, then Settings, navigate to Apps, and then click Apps and Features. Scroll down or search to find the calendar app. Click on it, then select Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options, scroll down and click the Reset button. Confirm by clicking Reset again. This will re-download the app's default settings and may resolve sync or display issues. Next, let's check your account synchronization settings. Open the calendar app, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open settings, then click Manage Accounts. Select the account that's having sync problems and click Change Mailbox Sync Settings. Here, ensure that Download Email from any time is selected and that the sync frequency is set to something reasonable, like every 15 minutes if it's set to manually. Then the app won't automatically update, then click Done. As a last resort for persistent issues, we'll try a quick restart of the app process. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S keys simultaneously to open Task Manager in the Processes tab. Look for Calendar or Microsoft Calendar, right-click on it, and select End Task once it's closed. You can simply reopen the Calendar app from your Start menu. With these steps, your Windows Calendar app should be back to smoothly managing your schedule.